Hello guys, I'm just want to show you how to enter a new rug to your system and then issue the new invoice. So basically I'm running this from my local because I don't want to add any invoice or rug to your shop. So after you enter your username and password, you log in, and the first step after login is to choose your store. Make sure you're choosing the right store, and then when you choose the right store, it loads the dashboard. On the left hand side, I'm going to add a new rug. Under the rug menu, add new rug, and then I enter the details. So for example, I enter let's say Afghanistan, the origin, the design is Kazakh, 200 for width, 300 are all the details. Measurement unit centimeters, color multiple, material wool. If you had any old stock number, just enter, otherwise just leave it as empty. Valuation price is the price that if something happened to the rug, you can issue the evaluation price and insurance can pay for it. I just enter 10,000. Lay-by price, let's say 12,000, and the actual price, I'm saying 8,000, and then a store name, which is already selected, product type handmade, and supplier ID. I choose any of these suppliers. If the supplier is not on the list, you can later add the supplier under the administrator, or later on I create a new supplier section and then you can add the supplier from there. For now I'm just choosing a random supplier like cousin, and quantity, how many rugs did you have, I'm saying 2. Choose photo. I don't have too much photo on my computer, but I'm choosing one of the sample photos, which is this one. Okay, and then save. So after you save, you need to wait, it's working, and then it redirects you to the next page, which is another form which is entered. So you can enter your next rug. But if I come to the old rugs here, which is the list of the rugs, and wait it to be loaded, see this one is the latest one that I entered, the Kazakh, and it's assigned a new number to it. All the details that I've just entered are here, and if you've done something wrong, you can edit it, and then you can update. For example, let me say I'm gonna update this to 2205 and 305, and just save. So I'm running from my local, so it just should show some programming lines, but anyway it's working and update. So you can see, okay, this is updated here as well. Okay, I'm gonna issue a new invoice here, RugInvoice, and then you can select either from the existing customer or new customer. You can enter the detail, or anonymous customer, which means we don't have to enter all the details for this customer. So I'm choosing one of the existing customers. I choose Morteza and select. So all the Morteza's details are coming up, and then I need to search the rug. I'm searching for Kazakh, and then search. It shows me the list of the old Kazakh in the system. This one 7,000, this one 8,000, but I may give some discount to the customer, so I enter, for example, 5,000, and I just add this to invoice, this one. When I add it, it shows up on the invoice, and then I can add the delivery cost, let's say $50. If there is no delivery cost, just leave it as empty. Any comment or any specific condition that the rug has, sometimes you need to say, okay, this is have some problem, or some color bleeding, whatever, which is part of the buying conditions, if you can have it. Yeah. And then it normally saves the salesperson, but actually you can choose another associate person. It means sometimes, for example, the salesperson doesn't have time to issue the invoice, someone help him to issue the invoice, or for example, the customer came in yesterday and talked and agreed on the route, but he came back today, and today that salesperson is not there, but someone else associated with this invoice. So I preview the invoice, so everything comes up, all the details of the customer, bank details, address, ABN, everything. This is on my local, as I said, so ABN is a test number, but on your website ABN is your proper ABN. And then here you can say, okay, this is $5,000 and $50 for delivery costs, so he paying, for example, $4,000 for now, and then add. So $1,050 on the balance, and then you need to click on this one, finalize the invoice. Otherwise the invoice is not getting saved. So I finalize the invoice, done, and then I can print it. Then when I print it, you need to untick this one, all these ticks, because there are some footer on the page. Sometimes, let me show you. See this line here? You need to remove this tick, so it remove the header, and then it print. So you select the printer and then print. If you need to save a PDF, you choose the save as PDF and then save. Done. So I save it and I choose a path and I save it here on my computer. Done. And you can back to dashboard. I provide another video to show same thing for hard flooring to you as well. Thank you.